Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel, Craft Ideas with Mumu. So Mother's Day is too close, so let's make a gift for our mother for Mother's Day. But I want to tell you something that you can give it to your mother in her birthday too. So let's start our video. So at first take a heart paper and draw a mother and one square. And I'm writing here, you are the queen mom. So at first I'm drawing the mother. Now I'm writing here, you are the queen mom, and then I'm decorating the writing. So I'm actually bolding it. You can understand how I'm doing. The process is very simple actually. If you watch it carefully, then you can understand. Now using a scale, I'm drawing the stairs. This is very easy and simple. You can do it at your home easily and in the last moment, as it is very simple. One thing you cannot use like any, what should I say, uh, offset paper here. You cannot use anything paper here. You have to use hard paper here. And if you don't have this type of hard paper, then you can use the covering of your puppy and then cover the puppy using white paper. Then you can do it if you want. If you don't have this type of hard paper, because it is not available to everyone's house, and the way I told you is very easy and simple. You can use any kind of hard paper, like it can be the cover of your puppy book, or you can also use cardboard, but you have to cover it using white paper. So now I am coloring the mother. I've used two colors here. I'm using brush to color it. You can use any kind of color like watercolor or pencil color as you wish, because everything is not available in everyone's house. But I think it is very common now. I'm using sand pen, black sand pen. You can choose any color as you wish for the hair of mother. Like hair can be of different color. I'm using black color as my mother's hair is black color. So I'm using pencil color here for the skin of the mother. So then you can see this is looking very cute. So now you have to make two holes. I can understand by seeing it. You have to make two holes, one in half of the mother and another in down corner of the stair. Then you have to use thread. You have to insert thread in both sides of it. Then you have to tie it. But I didn't show you how to do it because I think you can understand very easily. So we can see how I'm doing it. I don't know how this part deleted from the mobile. You have to tie them like this. So now I'm cutting the extra. When you pull the extra part, then the extra part will be more bigger. In this way, you can see. Actually, we will attach a little girl who is wearing a crown to her mother. Actually, if I told you from my side, then this girl is me actually. So I'm drawing it. And then using pink color for heart base. And on this one, I'm using brush pen here. If you want more beautiful, more you can use watercolor for drawing. I think then it will be more beautiful because uh, you can make shading here and you can make it realistic. I'm using yellow and orange color for the crown and again red color here. So then cutting it, I'm using scotch tape or just use with the thread and done and see how it will work. Now it's time for some decoration. I'm drawing some hearts here to make it more beautiful. So when I wrote word of pain mom, you can write anything like everyone does this recipe you want. You can give it to her in her birthday too. So you can see. So we are already at the end of this video. Hope you liked my video. If you liked, then please give a like and don't forget to subscribe and write comment. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment. I hope you understand how to make it and like my video. So thanks for watching. Bye.